The Swedish company Einride presented the first prototype of their electric unmanned truck back in 2017 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed event as a T-Pod truck. The public liked the novelty so much that in 2018 the transport company signed an agreement with the global logistics company DB Schenker to test T-Pod truck on their site. Finally, the tests ended and the first electric self-driving truck appeared on public roads in Sweden. As Einride itself points out, its task is to make shipping smarter, more environmentally friendly, safer, more cost-effective, and smooth. The company also claims that its first T-Pod truck makes many of the solutions used in conventional transport virtually obsolete. The battery-powered T-Pod has no driver cab and is equipped with a fourth level of autonomy. He is assisted by a set of cameras, radars, LiDARs, as well as the NVIDIA Drive computing platform, powered by AI. At the same time, a human operator can control a car remotely if necessary. According to Einride, the power reserve of a single T-Pod battery lasts about 200 kilometers. The maximum speed of an electric self-driving truck is 85 kilometers per hour. It is quite enough for transport designed to perform certain logistic tasks. The tests of an autonomous electric truck took place at one of the DB Schenker enterprises in the city of Jönköping in November 2018. In March this year, the Swedish Transport Authority conducted its assessment of the T-Pod's capabilities, after which it gave permission for pilot tests of the truck on public roads. During the tests, the truck moved between the warehouse of DB Schenker and one of its terminals in the industrial zone where the speed is usually lower than in other parts of the city. Leaving the warehouse of the company and reaching the terminal, the truck drove through an automatic gate, got to the destination point, turned around at the site and drove back to the warehouse. Heavy road transport is responsible for significant carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. Successful pilot trials in Jönköping is a small but very important step towards the creation of a smooth, autonomous and environmentally safe transport system. The permission obtained by the Swedish Transport Authority testifies to the security of our solution," commented Robert Falk, the head of Einride. Now the T-Pod will run daily between the warehouse and the terminal. Permission to operate the truck was issued until December 31, 2020. By 2020, the company expects to introduce 200 T-Pods into commercial operation. To do this, Einride has agreements with a number of large companies, the German supermarket chain Lidl, the Swedish courier service Svenska Retursystem, and several retailers from the Fortune 500 list in the USA. Next year, Einride intends to apply for an increase in the routes available for the T-Pod, as well as conduct tests of the UAV in the United States.